Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've had a really busy day today cleaning the Caravan. I've done the 3-stage wash with it. It's had the Maggie foam, snow foam treatment, the polar wash, and it's also had a ceramic sealant put on called Maggie Seal, 25 quid a bottle. And I've also gone round with some more ceramic sealer. So now the Caravan's got a great kind of like barrier up against it. I've cleaned the roof, which I can't show you. The full Caravan. Probably hard to tell on the photographs, really, on the video, but it was actually quite dirty. Cleaned all the side down, done the alloys. I've also done underneath again. You probably won't be able to see, but again, it's the 3-stage which I wanted on, so it's got that layer of protection on it, what it needs. Next week I am going to be taking it in because some of the bulbs are a bit dodgy. I think they're just getting old. And put the awning up. I've also got some sealer which I'll go into, so I'll just go around the Caravan, do a walk on video and show you. It's looking absolutely fantastic for a 2003 Caravan. So I'm going to oil up all the motor mover stands, the hitch. As you can see, that's something else I've done today, getting rid of that chain. I've got a proper security lock. It has rained since I've washed it typically. Also, we're going to get the grease points onto here and here for the drawbar. It's got a nice shine to it there now. I've got the power from the house running to it. Everything's working great. But yeah, it's looking spot on. I've gone around. Obviously, I've done the 3-stage ceramic wash. And I've also used the ceramic glaze, which I've shown on my other videos. It's not going to shine up like a car. It's a totally different material, but what it does do is just creates like a barrier against it. That's me wheel clamp I was using on the L200 plus the one on the front. Just keeps the insurance companies right. We'll jump in. Right, this is something I'm going to do on a separate video. This stuff is brilliant. You spray it on the air awning, and every 12 months, every year, and it just acts as a UV protection. I'm also going to try this. I'm going to read the instructions about these headlights on cars where the sun affects them. I'm just going to see if a little coating with a bit of paper across with this on it'll help them, but I just need to read that it's not going to damage them. But you spray that all over your awning and it gives it a full waterproof coating. It's only £23 for 5 litres. It's a cracking price, that. First difference you'll notice straight away, I'll just jump in, is the carpet. Thanks to my next door neighbour, he lent us his wet vac, the vax machine, and as you'll remember, I'll walk up here. I shouldn't really be walking on this, but I've got the dehumidifier running. But all them black marks on the carpet have gone. Done a fantastic job. It's been boiling hot the day. We've got all the cupboards open just to dry things out. We've put the bunk beds up because we've decided we're not really going to use that seating area. We would obviously use that area where you put a big table out. We've got a 4-seater table for the awning and some chairs. So we're just going to leave that up for the kids because the little one's only 1. It'll be handy for to put her down in there for a nap through the day. And my son, who's 4, that just means it's there, it's sorted. I think we're just probably for now going to leave that up, and for when you're towing and stuff, it acts as a good storage area. Not up there, like, but down here, it's right across the axle. Obviously, the air awning is going to be going here. But thanks to my mum and dad and my son today, she's been around. She's done a fantastic job in here while I've been doing the outside. She's cleaned all the fridge, the cooker, the oven, the hobs. Been found all these. They've given me loads of extras from what they had from their Caravan years ago, which they sold. There's more stuff to come. The air awning, I will do a video on that when we put it up, see what it's like when we waterproof it. It's got the ground sheeting to go on, and air pumps and pegs. And I have actually got it connected up to the mains at the minute and everything. I've just tested the heating here. So when you switch it on, the heat comes out here, but you put a fan on and it circulates it through the Caravan. There's the one behind there. I have got the fridge on. I'm going to leave it an hour or so just to see that I check that it works. These are all pre-checks you've got to do before you leave, so you don't get on site and find out you've got no heating, no fridge, the water doesn't work. Yes, I'm going to change the charcoal filter, flush the system out with Milton before I change the filter, check that the water system's working okay. I'll probably ever go testing the toilet fluids and stuff, check that that works, but it's pretty much easy. It's just a pump one, I believe. But I've got all these open here. I've got the dehumidifier running. I'm going to leave this running for a couple of days. Number one, because I've had the wet vac on, but it's really hot anyways. Number two is just the fact it's good to get the moisture out of these caravans with them standing. In fact, this is going to be a regular occurrence even in the winter. I'll bring the caravan home for a fortnight in the winter and just leave this running. Keeps the battery circulated as well. In case you're wondering why the lights are like that, I've took the covers down to clean them because there was loads of spiders and dust in them, and I've also ordered new lights for these. They're like these things here. It was only like 15 quid for 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Just going to put them all new because the one in there was very dull. And you may as well, for 15 quid you need your lighting. And I've also getting some LED lights for these, which are like old-fashioned. Let's switch them on. Which are just like old-fashioned, like kind of they get really hot, which I don't like for causing fires. I mean, I can't even hold my finger there any longer than that. Don't like them, especially when we've got kids in the caravan, for causing fires, and also just hammers your battery. So I've bought an LED upgrade system for them. Also, like I've said, these, and there's 2 of them in. I need to switch this on. Let's have a look. Switch that on. I don't think I've actually got the bathroom lighting. I think it's these lights. I think they need them on. There, you see. So in there as well. Don't like those type of hot lights in a shower, so I'll put the LED. So I bought a kit of like 10 of them. They were only 8 quid. So I'm going to replace those 2 in the shower. And there's actually one underneath here. I don't know where the switch is for it, but the bulb's actually missing. So I'll put one, then hopefully it works. That's wired up to that. So I'm going to switch this off. In fact, I'm going to switch everything off. I don't like them being on when there's wires exposed. And like I've said, we've got the awning light as well. Believe it or not, that's the awning light. That's for outside. Putting the LED one into there. I just, well, I'll assess that because I've learnt my lesson with interior lights on cars. Sometimes that's not always the option. But I'm not really that bothered because we've got like a little lamp to put in the awning anyway. Extension leads. There's loads more stuff to come. Fold up storage boxes. Laundry basket, deck, camping chairs. So yeah, I'm just trying to think what else I've been on with today. Just like the whole thing's been stripped down. So there's a brief kind of update about what's to come. I've just ordered a hitch cover for when it's in storage. Yeah, so there we go. That's just a quick update on the caravan. I'll keep these videos coming. And thanks for watching. If you're into this kind of thing, send us a message. Let us know that you like it. If you don't, in the politest way possible, just say you don't like it. But don't worry, I've got a big back catalogue of stuff on my phone from with loads of stuff. I've got about, crikey, 4 or 5 new shape van reviews. I've got quite a few of me average car reviews. Reviews on products, reviews on fitting, things like that. So don't worry, it's not all going to be caravan related. I will be adding in other things to it. So yeah, if you want to see more caravan related stuff, keep watching. I'll be adding them in as and when I can. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. It all helps the channel grow. Remember, I don't make a penny from this. This is all just for a bit of light entertainment to help you guys and a bit of a hobby for myself. So thank you for watching. Bye.